What's up, y'all, and welcome back to P.S. Home Interiors. My name is Ashley and this is Danielle. On this channel, we share interior design and organization tips, tricks, and hacks so that you, my friend, can love where you live one room at a time. If that's something that you are interested in, please consider subscribing and checking out all of our other videos. See what I did there? Hotel vibes, checking out. Please don't leave. I'm just kidding. Let's start the video.
Okay, so the first thing we want to talk about in recreating the hotel vibes in your home is to declutter. Let's be real. If you walked into a hotel room that you paid good money to stay in and you saw old used towels scattered all over, somebody's torn up sock on the floor, and sheets mess up on the bed, you walk back out faster than you could say, oh, heck no. If you want to recreate the tranquility you feel in a nice hotel room, go ahead and tidy up your bedroom. Listen, I get that you're busy and stuff can fall through the cracks. Your kids have activities every single evening. You've been staying up late trying to meet that work deadline, but it doesn't take long to keep things neat. You can make the bed, get the clothes off the floor, and take the dirty dishes and trash down to the kitchen.
Guys, I don't mean to beat a dead horse, but this is so true. I mean, why do hotels send someone up daily to clean your room during your stay? Right. They recognize that there's a relation between cleanliness and your mental health or thinking. They want you to come back or even stay longer. Studies show that clutter may contribute to depression, decreased focus, and tension in some people. On the other hand, research has found that cleaning and decluttering can improve a person's mood and help people unwind and de-stress after a long day. So yeah, do yourself a favor and declutter. So now that we're done getting you guys all worked up and upset, we're gonna move into the next tip, which is cozy bedding. The bed is pretty much the focal point of the bedroom, so it should definitely shine as the star it is with your linens and your bedding. Not only should it look good, but it really should feel good to get that hotel energy. Here you might have to invest in a little bit more quality, but good sleep is definitely priceless. Absolutely. Because who have you ever heard say, I love sleeping in rough, itchy sheets? No one.
Nobody.
So make sure that your sheets can withstand the test of time and more than 2 wash cycles, please.
Yes. You hit the nail on the head. Like you said, your bedding should also look good. The general rule of thumb is to stick to crisp white bedding for that luxurious hotel look. You can layer your bedding for color and texture with quilts, throw blankets, and decorative pillows. Our favorite way to layer bedding for ultimate style is to 1, put on your sheets and a quilt, fold them down 1/4 of the way. Then add your duvet and fold that down 1/3 of the way and then back over itself. Next, you're gonna add your throw blankets and finally style your pillows. Include some nice Euro pillows, various sizes and different shapes like a long lumbar pillow or maybe even a round pillow. Next, you guys, for the ultimate hotel feels, we say upgrade that mattress to a deluxe mattress. We cannot neglect to mention your mattress in providing the lush feel of a hotel room. Like, one of the first things you do when you enter a hotel room is to hop on the bed and soak in the comfort of the mattress for a few seconds, right? Here is another investment piece, but if you want to sleep like your granddad after Thanksgiving dinner and the football game, save up and buy a quality mattress. A good mattress should promote comfort, spinal alignment, and support and superior sleep.
I definitely couldn't agree more. Sleep is my love language. I found my journey to the best sleep, like the kind of sleep that I had before I had them kids.
What you say?
That an exceptional mattress was definitely key. Other qualities of a good mattress are mattress depth, pressure points, relief, breathable material, cooling technology, and hypoallergenic qualities. And here's a secret hotels use to keep their mattresses in good condition. They rotate them and they use mattress protectors.
Yes.
And some even flip them. There ain't no way that y'all sleeping through these tips. If our suggestions have been hitting your sweet spot, like the video by giving it a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so that you're alerted whenever we upload new videos.
Next, we are talking about mood lighting. You guys hear us talking about lighting all the time, as it is important in any space. If there's one place you want to set the mood, it is definitely in the bedroom. Wall sconces or table lamps on either side of the bed add an inviting glow in the evenings. In my opinion, wall sconces give off luxurious vibes and instantly elevate any space. For overhead lighting, install a dimmer switch to make sure you get just the right amount of light morning through night. And please remember that your mood lighting should have warmer light bulbs. While cooler daylight bulbs are great for matching colors in an outfit or, putting on your makeup, they can also be kind of harsh. Mood lighting needs the glow of a warmer bulb.
Absolutely. Adding ambient lighting is going to help mimic a soothing, calming feeling of a nice hotel suite. And don't forget stylish floor lamps or trendy pendants as options too. You can find inexpensive wall sconces and lamps online at places like Wayfair, and Amazon has great selections of chic pendants for any budget as well. You can also try LED lights behind your headboard or under your bed for that modern feel and that wow factor.
Next, dress the windows. Window treatments in hotels make the room feel so grand.
Yes.
They normally span the entire width of the window wall and provide really great light filtration. You can do the same in your bedroom. Hanging your curtains from floor to ceiling will elongate your room by creating the illusion of height. While some people sleep better than others with a little light in the room, like me, I can sleep pretty much with any light. Hardly no one sleeps worse in a really dark room. Blackout curtains provide complete light blockage for some good deep rest.
So the next way to bring that hotel feel home is through your seating. When it comes to seating in a hotel room, you get plenty of stylish options. It makes sense to have other functional pieces of seating besides the bed, because I do not like people sitting on my bed in their street outdoor clothes. I cannot stand it. It drives me nuts. Sorry, but I yell at these kids all the time. Time out. I gotta talk about this from my heart. While not all bedrooms are quite as large as hotel rooms, there are still some seating options to choose from for, something that will fit your space nicely. A bench at the end of the bed not only looks great, but offers a place to sit while putting on shoes instead of your freshly made bed. An accent chair or an armchair in the corner is great for those who want a place to read a book, or if you don't like crumbs in the bed, a place for a snack.
Yep, and you know what? I don't know how many people consider the fact that your bedroom is more than where you sleep. It's your hideaway from, life. To add to your point about any space having a seating area, smaller rooms can use items like ottomans. And then for larger rooms with separate seating areas, a sofa and love seat are perfect for giving you a wonderful place to put your feet up after a long day when it's not quite time to go to bed. Something else to consider, and I do say this with caution, extra seating can be a temporary, let me say it again, temporary place to put items. I like to use the seating in my room to store my decorative pillows at night instead of putting them on the floor, or even a place to set my folded laundry until I put it away.
Okay guys, I can already hear some of you saying, what about the primary bath? I feel you. Your bedroom can't be giving 5-star resort status while your bathroom is giving 1-star roach motel. Check out our video here on how to make your bathroom more luxurious. We hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some ideas on how you can make your own bedroom hotel chic. Now, we can't make any promises that when you leave for work every day, you'll come back and your bed will be magically made like it is at a hotel. But we do hope that you'll get some rest after implementing some of the tips that we shared with you and enjoy walking into your space. Let us know in the comments what tips you'll be using to upgrade your bedroom, or if we've missed anything you can add to the list. And for those of you who watch and still seem to be struggling on how to implement these tips into your home, that's fine. We offer e-design services and we like to help you. So email us to get started. We'll see you guys next week.